Hi guys, welcome to the next bit of the final round of the quiz before we enter the finals. We have three new contenders for entering the finals. We have Ankur, followed by Praveen in blue, and then we have Akshay in yellow. The rules of the quiz, I'll just pop it on your screen of the game in front of you. It's basically you get six topics to choose from, right? For each direct topic that you choose, you get 20 points. For any past question, you get 10 points. There are no negative markings. So you can definitely take a guess if you don't know the answer. And you can choose one category up to two times. So for example, if you choose Indian startups, you can choose that at max of two times, right? And obviously the player with the highest point wins and moves on to the final round. The next round here is finals. So the winner from this will automatically go into the finals. Cool. So the
Yeah.
topics for today are Indian startups, global startups. I've replaced currencies with music, countries and capitals, logos, and sports. Cool. Ankur followed by Akshay, followed by Praveen. Cool. So
Yeah.
Ankur, what's your choice of topic?
Confidently, I'll choose music. But let's see.
Okay.
Mhm.
Which 80s star is recognized by the Guinness World Book of Records as the best-selling female record artist of all time?
Madonna?
That's right. You get 20 points for that. Madonna. Guess था या जानता था?
I don't know anyone from that. At least female.
Okay,
Very hard to guess.
cool. Good guess. So next, Akshay, what's your choice?
Uh, Indian startups.
Okay, I love that bit as well. So let's see. Indian startups. What's the question?
More helplessness than confidence. Software engineer at Amazon. Computer vision based automated safety systems. I don't know. Pass.
Take a guess because there are no negative points anyway.
So he's an okay. So he's an Indian startup founder, advisor at BlackBuck. Where have I heard that? I don't know. Zomato. Dipender Goyal.
Dipender Goyal? No, it's not Dipender. Moving on to Praveen.
By the timeline, looks like is this Sachin Bansal after he quit Flipkart?
It's not Sachin Bansal. Moving on to Ankur.
No. So he's still a board advisor of this company, and he's the founder of some other startup.
Correct. So I've basically blacked out the part which he is the founder of.
Okay. No idea. Pass.
So the answer to the question is in the question itself. So if you see you need to see the clue basically is see the timelines in which he was the founder of this company and try to address the companies that were founded during this time. So next, after Ankur, we move to Akshay. Akshay, you can take a guess.
Okay. Is it the founder of Ola?
No, it's not him.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead with the most popular name on Twitter right now, Kunal Shah.
No, it's not Kunal Shah. So you almost got it right. It's Bini Bansal.
Okay.
It's not Sachin Bansal, it's Bini Bansal. Okay. Moving on to Praveen. Nobody gets a point for this. Moving on to Praveen, your choice of topic.
I'll go with sport.
Sports. Okay.
Achik, stop Googling already.
Praveen used to play beach volleyball.
I don't have volleyball questions.
Baga beach volleyball.
Here's the question: Who has taken the highest number of catches in the IPL?
Come on, Praveen.
This
Bread and butter.
includes everything, right? Like wicket keepers and outfielders, everyone overall.
Yeah, overall.
I'm just gonna guess Suresh Raina.
That's a beautiful guess. That's the right answer.
Oh,
Suresh Raina is the right answer. Yeah. Okay. Back to Ankur. Second round. Which is your choice of topic?
Global startups.
Fair enough. There you go. Guess the founder. Name the founder.
No idea. Need a clue. No idea.
Clue. I'll give it to you after everyone tries once.
Pass.
Akshay.
Mm, pass.
Pass. Praveen.
pass. No idea.
Okay. The clue is he's a UAE based founder for a second hand car automobile company.
I've heard about this. Oh, shit.
I can even tell you the name of the company. The name of the company is sellanycar.com. And he's German by birth. So his
Oh.
name is German.
I was gonna guess a random name, but take it.
You don't know? None of you? Any one of you know?
No.
If you pass. Saigen Yalchin is the name of the guy. He's like the Cars 24 and the Spinny of the Middle East.
Never guessed it.
He's already a unicorn brand, doing really well. Big on social media as well. As we move to Akshay, your choice of topic.
Can you just display the topics once again?
Sure, 1 second. Yeah. So you have Indian startups, global startups, music, countries and capitals, logos, and sports.
Let's go with music.
Cool. My friend is going to love this question if he's watching, but I don't know. Name the band.
Is this Ed Mao the one who wears a
No,
head?
not Ed Mao. Moving on to Praveen.
And that was gonna be my guess as well. So
Pass.
I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Ankur seems to know the answer.
Radiohead.
Radiohead is the right answer. So you get 10 points for that. So this is my friend is such a big fan of the Radiohead that he's got the logo tattooed on his arm.
I've got the same T-shirt.
The Radiohead T-shirt.
This one, the same logo.
Oh, okay. So it was like quite easy for you. Moving on to Praveen, your choice of topic.
I'll choose Indian startups.
Okay. So cannabis research startup Dash, which counts Ratan Tata and Google India Managing Director Rajan Anandan as its major investors, has raised a fresh round of funding. In December last year, the company had raised rupees 6.25 crores in a seed round from Ratan Tata and Rajan. Guess the startup.
Cannabis research startup.
You can
Non-stoner.
filter down. There are very few cannabis research startups, right?
No, I'll pass. I have no idea.
Yeah, Ankur.
No, I need a clue. No idea. I don't know of any cannabis research startup.
Okay, moving on to Akshay.
I remember reading about.
Go rolls.
See, this will mostly be something around hemp because hemp is the only legal cannabis product in India. Hemp का क्या हो सकता
You're in the
है?
right direction.
No clue. I can't think of a name.
Okay, I'll give you a clue because all of you have tried. It's a Bombay-based company, and you're right. It's a hemp-based research company.
Oh,
I
Whose
think it'll
turn
go
is
to Ankur. It'll go to Ankur and then move to you again. Ankur, you want to take a guess?
No, yeah, this clue doesn't help. Bombay-based,
It's actually helped. When you answer, you'll know that it helped a lot. Praveen,
Bombay. I don't know.
We aren't supposed to come up with new creative names.
Okay, none of you want to try it? Akshay, you want to try?
Is it Bohiko?
No, it's the Bombay Hemp Company. So Ankur was the right direction.
Mm, I'll again go with global startups.
Global startups. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, another picture question. Name the founder. Oh. Or you can name the company. You don't have to name the founder.
It is a startup, right? It's not a fund.
It's a startup. Yeah, he's not SoftBank. That's
Yeah.
what I'm thinking.
Zoom.
No, he's not Zoom. Though Chinese, but
Okay.
not Zoom. Moving on to Akshay.
Mm. I don't know. Pass.
Pass. Moving on to Praveen.
Is it one of those payments, Alipay or something?
No, it's not Alipay. I'll give you a clue. It's a British startup headquartered in London, and it's in the food delivery space. Was in the news when Amazon invested around 500 million in them.
Grubhub. Okay.
Not Grubhub. Moving on to Akshay. That's
Mm.
American, I think, Grubhub.
I don't know. Deliveroo.
You're right. It's Deliveroo. It's Bill
Oh.
Shoe.
Ah.
Gonna be my guess as well.
Mhm.
So Akshay gets 10 points for this. Okay, Akshay, your choice of topic.
Let me go with sports.
Sports. Which F1 player has the record for the highest wins, most number of wins? So we'll go to Akshay. Akshay, your turn.
Which F1 you're saying?
F1 racer has the most titles. Yeah,
Lewis Hamilton?
that's right. Lewis
Yeah.
Hamilton is the right answer. Yeah. Cool. Praveen, your choice.
I'll try country and capitals.
I was thinking that category will go for a wave. You need to guess which country that is, or which city that is. Sorry, not country.
Is this Kuala Lumpur?
No, it's not Kuala Lumpur. Moving to Ankur.
Germany. I don't know.
The city. You have to name the city.
Um,
Berlin.
ये ले लो.
Okay, Lelo.
But it's not in Germany either. So moving on to Praveen.
I thought
Akshay.
Is this Beijing?
It's not Beijing.
But
Okay,
Chinese city.
I'll give you a clue. Back to Ankur. Sorry, back to Praveen. The clue is it's a European city.
European city.
Praveen, you want to take a guess?
It's a capital, is it? Of some country?
It could be a capital. Yeah, it has to be a capital because it's a countries and capital. Yeah, it is a capital.
Capital.
European, okay. Gonna say Copenhagen.
No, it's not Copenhagen. Moving to from Praveen to Ankur. It's quite easy, to be honest.
No, yeah, no idea. Can't recognize this.
Just take a guess. I've given you European. There are not many capital cities in Europe. Just look at the buildings. There are like a couple of buildings that stand out. So
No, yeah, nothing's coming to my mind. No
You
idea.
want to pass?
Pass.
Akshay?
So it's not German. What
Hmm.
other country in Europe would look like this? I don't know. Helsinki.
No, it's not Helsinki. It's the most obvious country in Europe. It's London.
Oh.
This
My
is
So this was
God.
pre-Brexit.
this is this is the this is the building that should have given it to you.
Oh, damn it.
Okay, I think we're done with 4 rounds. Last round, right? Ankur, back to you. Your choice.
Uh, logos.
Okay, I'll before we get into the final round, Ankur and Akshay are tied at 30 points, and then Praveen is at 20 points. Cool. Logos is what you said, right? Cool.
Yeah.
Guess the brand.
Chanel.
It's not Chanel.
Sorry.
We'll have to move on. You can try the next when it passes to you.
Take it. Shit.
Akshay,
Is it Gucci?
it is Gucci. Yeah.
Gucci. वही तो यार. I don't know why did I say Chanel. Yeah, shit.
You know, I also thought of Chanel because I was thinking of the Frank Ocean song where he said,
It
"See
is
on both
very
sides
similar to
like
Chanel.
Chanel."
So a lot of people get confused between Chanel and
Yeah.
Gucci. So yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Moving to Akshay, your choice of topic.
Let's go with logos again.
Logos. Okay. Guess the brand.
Is this? Is this? I'm confused between a couple. Anyway, fuck. Is this Verizon?
No, it's not. Passing it on to Praveen.
Is this AT&T?
It's not Air India. Ankur.
No clue. Some technology company, I think, but not able to.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you guys a clue and we'll go back to Akshay. Basically, the name of the company is used to display, to describe what the brand does already. Like, even if you're not doing it from that brand, you're still referring to the brand name. Is that, that's how much of an
Is it?
impact that has.
Is it Xerox?
Correct. That's Xerox. Yeah.
Oh,
So Akshay gets 10 more points.
I think
Praveen,
Akshay has won it. I'll end it with sports.
Akshay has won it. Yeah.
Month.
Your question is, no, the other ones are like other sports. Usually in India, they don't follow those sports.
Other sport, international
No,
sports.
he's all sports. You don't have to worry. He used to write for Sports Kida.
So here's the question in sports. Guess the brand.
Too easy,
Juventus.
Kaushik. Don't answer this. Just pass it, please.
I'm confirming my second place with Juventus. At least I didn't finish last.
What's the answer?
Juventus Football Club.
Correct. That's right. Awesome. So we have ended the quiz with Akshay winning it with 60 points, followed by Praveen at 40 and Ankur at 30. Awesome. So Akshay, you will be required to join in on the finals. We'll be doing this on Sunday, right?
Sure, sir. I am free any day of the week.
Along with Mahesh and Vignesh, who won the previous 2 rounds. If you haven't seen those quizzes, go watch that. And
I will do that.
Till then, for the viewers, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And let's take it and grow the channel together. Thank you, guys. Over and out.